Hi everyone, welcome to INOCYX Crypto Exchange.
In this video, you will learn how to deposit INR in INOCYX app step by step. There are two methods available to deposit funds in INOCYX app. The first method in net banking, bank transfer, and second method via UPI ID. Let's learn both methods one by one. First, open the INOCYX app. On the home screen, click on the profile picture in the top left corner. You will see the add fund option there. Another way to add funds by clicking the wallet icon and selecting add funds from the wallet page. Next, open the bank details page. Here you will see two deposit options, bank transfer and UPI method. Let's start with bank transfer method. Select the bank transfer option. You will see the virtual account number VAN. Add this account number as a beneficiary in your net banking app. After adding the beneficiary, you can transfer any amount such as 100, 500 or 1000. Once you complete the transfer, the amount will be added to your wallet within a fraction of a second. This net banking process is automatic and the fund will be reflected instantly in your INOCYX wallet. Next, let's see how to add funds using Google Pay or other UPI app. Compared to net banking, which is instant, the GPay or UPI method goes through a manual verification process before the funds are added. Open the same bank details page and select the UPI option shown below the bank transfer section. You will see the official QR code and the INOCYX UPI ID. Use the UPI ID or scan QR code to make the payment using UPI app such as Google Pay or Phone Pay. After completing the UPI payment, take a screenshot of the transaction page and copy the transaction ID. Return to the INOCYX page, upload the screenshot and enter the transaction ID in the required field. Once you submit the details, the backend team will manually verify the process and the funds will usually be added to your account within 1 hour. This is the complete process to deposit INR into the INOCYX app using bank transfer or UPI. If you face any difficulties during the deposit process, please contact the INOCYX support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.